Hi, welcome to Data Science Explained. Today we'll explain data cleansing and perform a practical example using Python. We'll revise missing values, cleaning numerical values, converting categories, numerical standardization, outlier treatment and data processing. Often we find missing values from our columns and we need to locate the non-applicable value and discard columns with enough non-applicable values. Or if the number of those values is low, simply remove the rows. Another problem is when we have non-numerical characters which must be removed. A useful technique we may need is to convert our categories into numerical features. Next, it is useful to scale data for computing optimization by compressing it between 1 and 0. Sometimes we have to deal with outliers which can affect our model's performance. We can treat them by shrinking or removing them. Last but not least, dates are often very useful features if we break them down and extract their value. Time for an example using Python and OpenBlender. Here we have a messy dataset of daily gold prices where we have a call opinion categorical value. And we have a daily timestamp for each observation. And we have some numerical columns with non-numerical characters. Go to openblender.io and upload it by dragging it. After upload we shall see a column recognition page. Add name and description for the data set. Then go to the API service and copy the code and run it on Python. This is just the original dataset, so let's go back and convert the categorical values to numerical by copying this code. Now we converted the call option column onto binary columns. Now let's add the date breakdown. Now we have all this in numerical features. And now let's just clean the numbers. Now we have a completely numerical dataset, ready for analytics or machine learning.